My name is Patrick and I have been part of the preliminary development team at Kärcher for around 1 year. I am working on lots of futuristic technologies for Kärcher, including a new generation of or a new machine for. Hello Mr. Jenner, thank you for calling.
But remember not to say anything about the new innovation, right?
Yeah. We are here in the preliminary development workshop, specifically the nozzle test station. What we are doing, in secret of course, is this extraordinary, which you sadly cannot see down here. The only question left to ask is, wanna war with us?
Hello, my name is Miriam and I've been working in simulation at Kärcher for 10 years. The splash and rainwater test is used to determine if a device is leak-proof when splashed with water. Wow! Nowadays we perform these tests in the preliminary stages in the form of computer simulations. At Kärcher you always have the opportunity to move something. That's actually the great thing. Wow! Hi Michael, how are the things over there?
Hi, I'm Michael, 34, and I've been a project manager in Module Center Energy Storage Systems at Kärcher for 1 year. We work with batteries and chargers for all things at Kärcher. Technology never stops advancing. Naturally, we have to incorporate these new technologies into our systems to keep up the pace. I'm working on some extremely exciting projects. I have lots and lots of points of contact in all departments at Kärcher, and that really is wow. Wanna wow with us?